Hi, baby.
See who's busy in the kitchen.
You're back.
Yes, I am.
Welcome.
Come here.
Aww.
What are you making?
Something good. How did the meeting go?
Excellent. Beautiful.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Guess what I'm making?
Don't tell me. You're not no great with guesses. Just tell me. What are you making?
Oh, just make a guess.
Fish pepper soup.
Huh? Okay, I'll tell you. Pepper jollof rice and turkey.
Pepper jollof.
Boy,
oh boy. You read my mind, eh?
Oh, really?
I love jollof.
Well, I make my food myself.
You do?
As a matter of fact, I don't eat out.
You know, it's quite impressive to hear you say that, because in the times that we live in, a lot of big girls like yourself claim to be too busy with work and other activities of life, not to cook, you know.
Not me. Because these food vendors, they cook nonsense. They don't even make food that can nourish our body. So I make my food myself.
So you want to nourish me today, huh?
What was that?
You'd like to nourish me, come on now, don't lie.
I didn't say that.
You know what, I'm just going to go upstairs, change into something really, really easy so that I can be nourished.
Stop it.
But I just nudged you a little. What's wrong with you?
Run along. Go freshen up.
So you don't like it?
I like it, but stop it.
You like it, but stop it.
Yeah, not here.
Why not here?
Run along. I'm busy. Come on.
No. I'm just saying.
You know how to make me blush, right?
You don't understand. Like you just hold something like this.
Gosh.
Sweetheart.
Yes, darling.
Food is ready, okay?
Yes, it is.
That's fast. Thank you. Okay.
Here you go.
Easy now. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Thank you. Easy. Easy, baby. Oh boy, this was fast, I must say.
Yeah.
This was actually fast. You know, I was coming down to help you, not knowing that you had this already. Okay.
You don't have to bother. I'm done already.
Sweetheart, I looked at the laundry basket upstairs. I didn't find the clothes there.
Your clothes?
Yeah.
I washed them.
You did? I still went through the troubles of making this food.
Troubles, you say?
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of work. There's a laundryman down the street. I mean, we could get him to come do the laundry.
Come on, Johnson. It's not a bother. I mean, if I was home, I would have done the laundry myself. So, don't worry about that.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. Eat.
Thank you so much. Bye.
I caught you.
Yeah, you did.
What's going through your mind?
Nothing.
Spill it.
Nothing.
Come on, Johnson. Spill it.
Oh no, come on. Alright, I'll tell you. I'm just thanking my stars for making a good choice.
Okay. I still do not understand what you mean.
Look at you. You're beautiful. You're educated. You're exposed. You've got a great job. You know, you have a great life, you know, going for you. But you find the time to come here and make food. Do my laundry. Make sure that the house is all set up and clean. And you still keep me company and just make me happy. You are one of the most cultured women I have met in my entire life, I tell you.
Well, let's just say I was properly trained. Not just in school, but also at home. All thanks to my disciplinarian mom.
Your mom?
My mom.
God bless your mother.
Amen.
Because all that she gave you is what's lacking in today's woman. Yes.
Thank you.
Values, values, values. But let's talk about your mom a bit.
My mom?
Yeah, tell me about her.
My mom. There's a whole lot to say about my mom.
Let's start from somewhere.
Okay. She was a secondary school teacher before she retired.
How about your dad?
My dad is a police officer.
So he's still in service?
Of course he's still in service.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, what?
Wow, what? So if I misbehave now, you just have me arrested?
One hand.
It's okay, don't worry. I'll be proper. I'll be proper.
You better be.
Yeah.
You know, we were talking about something, but we didn't get to finish.
What?
What exactly do you do for a living?
Oh, Yahoo.
Yeah, what?
Yahoo. Like, computer, Yahoo. Like, internet, Yahoo.
Johnson. Are you for real?
Yahoo now?
You're not serious, right?
No, come on. Yahoo.
Johnson, you are a fraudster.
See your serious face. I was just joking. Can't you see I'm laughing? Relax. Okay, I'll tell you what I do. Relax.
Okay.
Relax.
Talk.
I do supplies. But big time, I buy properties and resell. So I'm into real estate. I do a lot of legitimate business, to stay afloat. So it's okay. I just said that to make you, to get this reaction.
You mean you built this house?
Yes, I own this building. I built it when I relocated from Lagos to this state. I needed my own house, and so I set it up.
Oh, good. So you mean the business wasn't going well in Lagos, that's why you relocated to Asaba?
No, of course. Real estate will do well anywhere in the world. But Lagos just got a bit toxic with the mafias and the business of real estate who would stop at nothing to keep their relevance. And I don't like trouble, so I decided to come here and do my business. And so far, so good. And not forgetting too that Delta State is one of the fastest developing states in Nigeria. So yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
No, you scared me.
I was just messing with you.
Yeah.
But if you were so scared, why didn't you run into my arms if you were so scared? Come here, let me tell you
really?
something. Yeah,
I should be running away from you.
You should
Yeah,
be
what
running
again?
into my big arms. Come, let me tell you something. Come
Tell me
now.
what?
We just finished eating. Come, let me
Tell
you
me
something.
what?
You
What do you
know
want to tell me? Baby.
Yeah.
I told my mom about us.
Oh, you did? Mm-hmm. What? You should have at least told me. Okay, tell me, what did she say?
Calm down.
Of course, now I'm uncomfortable. What did she say? Tell me.
Okay, I showed her your picture.
And?
And she fell for you immediately. You're blushing, yeah?
Yes, I am. How's she doing?
She's fine.
Oh, okay. At least, but last time you just tell me. So, I send you a very nice picture of me that you sent. What's wrong with you?
Really?
What picture did you even send to her?
Forget it. You're always cute. So, baby, tell me, when do you intend to see her?
Oh, come on. We'll go see mommy soon, okay?
Baby.
Yes.
How soon is your soonest?
How is it that you don't know what you meant to me?
Baby, of course I know what I mean to you.
Are you sure?
Yes, and you know I love you too, okay? You are the breath that I take. I can't do without you. And if you want me to show you how much I love you, I will.
Why did you tell your mother about us without consulting me first?
Baby.
It is crystal clear to you and I that I have not made a categorical statement about where this relationship is going, and then you go ahead to tell your mother about me without telling me. Why?
Baby, why are you sounding like
Stop! What the fuck? Did you tell your mother about me without talking to me about it first?
Oh, Johnson, you have to slap. Johnson!
Will you do it again?
Johnson,
will you do it again? Will you tell anyone about me without talking to me first?
Somebody help!
Huh?
Please, you joking me. Johnson, please.
Do it again, I swear to God, I'm gonna kill you.
Just please.
If I'm to ask a question, then I'll ask myself, what is happening? What is happening to me? This urge to kill and take a life of someone I love. This force that is pushing me to end the life. Whoa, this minute I am me.
Oh my God, what have I done? Lord help me, what have I done?
What is happening to me?
Like that. Open the gate! Open the gate! Why did you come up for us like that? Why said never kill my Oga? He's the one that would have killed me! My Oga? Your Oga is the demon! Oh! My Oga, demon. What? My game, like for Samuel. I never understand what DJ they do. You know won't pick my call. If the game don't call, tell me, make I know. I go there, they walk like Jackie, but this is my game.
Hello. I nearly lost my life in the hands of the one I love. I was chatting with Johnson, and all of a sudden, as if something pitched into him, he became unnecessarily angry, and he came for my neck. He wanted to snuff the life out of me. No, I think Johnson is possessed by a demon. He nearly murdered me. You need to see the look on his face. His eyes were red, blooded. Oh, he nearly succeeded. Honestly, it was a narrow escape for me. No, I can't walk away. I can't walk away now. I have come to love him with all my life. I know Johnson needs help, and I want to help him. I want to help him. I want to help him.
Will you do it again? Will you do it again? Will you tell anyone about me without talking to me first?
Somebody help!
Huh?
Please, you're joking me. Please.
Do it again, I swear to God, I'm gonna kill you.
Just please. Up till now, Johnson hasn't called me to say he is sorry. I've waited for a whole week for him to call or come looking for me, all to no avail. Is he a ritual killer? No, I don't think so. If he's into rituals, I will definitely know. I will have this strange feeling whenever we are close. I think it's drugs. It could be he was under the influence of drugs on that day. Nah, Johnson. Johnson, I know he's a gentleman. Or maybe he's struggling with some spiritual problem. I will definitely find out. I will.
If I'm to ask a question, then I'll ask myself, yeah. What is happening? What is happening to me? This urge to kill and take a life of someone I love. This force that is pushing me to end the life. Whoa, this minute I am me. The other minute I'm a monster. What is happening? What is happening to me? This minute I'm me. The other minute I'm a monster. What's really happening? What's happening to me? Yeah. Somebody help me. I don't know what to do.
What is going on? Is Johnson avoiding me? He's not even picking his calls. How sure am I he has not done something stupid to himself? I have to find out.
What is happening? What is happening to me? This minute I am me. The other minute I'm a monster. What's really happening? What's happening to me? Yeah. Somebody help me. I don't know what to do. Cause this is getting out of hand, and I'm losing myself. Yeah. Somebody help me, cause it looks like I'm going insane, and this is getting out of hand, I don't know what to do. Someone come to my aid,
You're here. I have been calling you. Why are you not taking my calls? What is going on? Why have you been avoiding me? Listen, Johnson, I love you so much. And you know it.
I loved this one to death. He belongs to me. No one else can have him.
What is going on? Listen, Johnson, I need you to confirm to me that you need help. I have fallen helplessly in love with you. I love you with everything in me, my body, my soul, my spirit.
Stop! Stop talking to me about love. Stop it. Stop it.
What is going on?
Stop it.
You're scaring me.
You have to go. Just go and never return.
Johnson, you have to say no to that demon that possesses you all the time.
Go.
Just look at you.
Just go.
You are too handsome to be possessed by a demon.
Go. Just leave.
Johnson, you have to talk to me.
Go.
I want to help you.
Leave.
Baby.
If you don't leave, I am going to kill you.
Baby, you need to trust
kill
me.
you with my bare hands. Just leave.
Please.
Leave right now.
You need to talk to me.
Just go.
Johnson, no.
Leave me alone. Leave me the hell alone. Leave me alone.
Kill her. Finish her up. End this once and for all.
Johnson, please. Somebody help! Johnson, please.
Kill.
There's something definitely wrong with you.
What's really happening? What's happening to me? Somebody help me. I don't know what to do. Cause this is getting out of hand, and I'm losing myself. Yeah, somebody help me. Cause it looks like I'm going insane.
Please. Deborah, I'm begging you, please. I don't want to commit murder. I need you to go.
Really? You want me to go? Johnson, you want me to go? After making me fall in love with you, you want me to go?
There's a strong urge to kill any girl that falls in love with me. And I don't want you to be that girl. Debbie, please go. I don't want to kill you. Just go. Go. Never come back. Don't look for me.
I can't. But tell me, why would you want to murder someone?
Just go. Go. Do not return. Do not look for me. Just go.
I can't. I can't.
Would you rather risk your life with me?
Johnson, I love you. I don't know how else to say this to you, but I love you. And I will go extra miles to make sure that your mental state is handled.
I'm not mad, Debbie.
Oh, Johnson, you are. No, you are. Tell me, what will make a sane mind want to murder someone? What? Johnson, you are mentally unstable. And that is what medical science can handle. Please, my love. Please.
That was how Deborah left that day. She left and never came back. But I tell you what, Deborah is the finest woman I have seen in this town. And I lost her. Just like that.
She actually said you were a hit and run. No. Was she the one that called you a hit and run? Yes, Victoria. Victoria was the one that called you hit and run.
Vicky.
See, Debbie told me point blank that you are demon possessed and she cannot deal with it. So she has to withdraw back to wait for her first love, who is based in the UK.
And I need help. Because this just happens each time these girls fall in love with me. That's when it happens.
This is strange.
I need help. I need all the help that I can get.
I'm speechless. Johnson, I want to help you, but I don't actually know where to start.
So you have to find a way to start. Please. I need your help. Help me. And I'll forever be indebted to you.
Automatically, I should paint it the way you want it to be. I should say what will make you happy, right? No, I won't. Were you not happy when you left to go and be with this man? And at the end, what happened? He broke your heart. He tore your heart into shreds and left you a wreck. If you go to this guy's house now, you'll be shocked that he has moved on with his life, as if nothing ever happened. Possibly with one cheap of a woman who doesn't understand her power as a woman.
Emirad has never been loved by any man. And she has never allowed a man to love her. It will be pointless discussing this with her because she would never understand. Why are you here? I thought you said you were leaving.
Of course I left. I came back because I ran into this woman that sells dry akidi mixed with corn. I know it's your favorite, so I bought it for you.
Thank you, I appreciate. But I'm sorry. Food is the least of my worries right now.
Quincy, see, I'm not just talking about any food here. I'm talking about dried akidi mixed with corn with some pieces of dry fish. Babe, you know you're a stalker when it comes to this meal. So, eat.
I heard it the first time. I am not hungry, thank you. I'm fine.
If you think I'm going to allow you starve to death because of that guy, no, I will not. You're going to eat this food. I told you it's your favorite, so just hold on. Let me go and get spoon for you to eat.